What's good, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV Market with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So yes, the Honorable House of Rep visited His Excellency Governor Alex Chioma Otti. We all know that he's also from Abia State, so this is more of like a homecoming visit to him. According to him, he said this visit is like coming home to see for himself and tell the world that the governor of Abia State is bringing back the lost glory in Abia State. Well, the visit was amazing. It was beautiful. They spoke at length. They shared a lot and lots of ideas, talked about the development of Abia State. Here's the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment.
Abia is good for business. And that investors are coming into Abia. And some of us who ran away from Abia are going back to clean up our lands. And some of our land, we are getting investors who are coming to come and use it for industries, for factories. That is happening under their tenure. You see, when come right here, man, with you, let us know. Because you earn it. And you are doing well. I'm here, man. They are doing well. Deputy Speaker, you are not in my party again. You are regretting it. They are not in my party. But I want you to know that they are here. Other political parties are here. This is the hearing they made them one. We are solidly recovering our dignity, raising our shoulder because of your selfless approach to governance. And your pledge, and living to your pledge. We are coming to work for Nadi. I've not seen any new thing around you. I've been watching. This 1 year, it has been Abia morning, Abia afternoon, Abia night. You are passionate about rebuilding Abia State. I don't want the government to be distracted. Came to renew my pledge. That Benjamin Kalu will support this administration.